Hey everyone, welcome back to Business Guide. With recent news, many people are looking to add an extra side income. Thankfully, people have found interesting ways to make some cash on the side. With our technology, there are tons of new job openings and remote side hustles to think about. Today, we're going to be talking about the top 10 most profitable side hustles of 2020. Make sure you stay until number 1, as you don't want to miss a unique side hustle that will have you earning big. Number 10, become a local travel guide. Becoming a local travel guide can actually be a fun side hustle. If you know your city well enough, why not charge others to explore and check it out as well? This is something that has been becoming quite popular as of late, especially after Airbnb added this option to their website. You can do tours focused around the local nightlife, food, nature, and just about anything else you can think of. These tours are popular with small groups and can earn you quite a bit. You can charge per group or per head and set the local price to your liking. After just a week, you'll be able to earn thousands of dollars. The schedule is entirely up to you. And if you play your cards right, you'll be able to turn this little side hustle into a full-time job. Number 9, create a course. One thing that's important now are online courses. Everyone needs access to education, and with the internet, we can all learn remotely. This is great for students and those who just want to learn new skills. Creating these courses can also be a fun side hustle. Creating a course can be simple if you know what you're doing. There are plenty of websites available, such as Udemy, that allow people to create and sell courses online. Courses can sell between $10 to $200 depending on the length and the subject matter. To create a course, just take a skill that you have and a skill that others would want to learn about, and then put them together in a few videos along with assignments. Then, advertise and market it well so that people can buy it. It's a relatively low-maintenance side hustle once you get the course online. The classes and assignments can be kept up as long as you like, so the profit can potentially be continuous. Number 8, rent out your car. The travel industry provides great opportunities for people to earn. Did you know that it doesn't take much to be a part of this? You can have a fun side hustle renting out your car. If you don't use it much, or if you have a certain schedule that requires you to only use your car a few days a week, or even if you have a second car, you can rent it out and earn big. Car rentals are quite expensive, so tourists and travelers will want to find cheaper options. You can set a price range and become the competition to the bigger brand name rental shops. Since you'll be doing this independently, you'll be able to set lower prices, especially if you aren't renting out employees or offices. You can also choose to charge more if you allow for an option to include a driver with the car rental. This is a great side hustle because within a week, you'll be earning thousands of dollars. Taking into account the expenses related to car washes, gas, and repairs, and you should be able to find the price that is right for you. Number 7, renting out space as an Airbnb. Renting out space as an Airbnb has become a very popular alternative to buying and renting properties the old-fashioned way. Airbnb is a great site that allows travelers to find cozy homes and rooms and rent them out from a day up to months. This site sees many customers and makes millions in revenues. To jump on this bandwagon, you need a space you can rent out. If you don't have a spare house, Airbnb allows the rental of single rooms. This can be great because you can monitor your guests and protect your home. This is a relatively low maintenance and low risk investment. Airbnb can earn you thousands of dollars a month even if you take all of your expenses into account. Take some nice pictures to advertise your space and you're set to go. Number 6, food delivery. Chances are you've ordered from one of the new food delivery services such as Uber Eats. These are convenient ways to get food from your favorite restaurants quickly. But did you know that this is also a great way to make a quick buck? Working for food delivery services can get you quite a big catch of green moolah every month. Most of these services allow employees to choose the hours they work, so it's quite convenient, allowing you to earn as little or as much as you like. These food delivery services are also popular, so there won't be any problem getting customers. As long as you have the will to work hard, you can pick up this job and do well. There are also many transportation options for delivery in case you don't have a car. You can bike or even walk. Number 5, write an ebook. Ebooks are on the rise. Many people seem to be ditching the old paperback for something more portable. These electronic books are found on multiple devices. You can find classic books and even some books that you won't find on shelves. Ebooks are a great alternative due to the fact that you can store countless number of books while only holding on to one device. The ebook industry is making a lot of money, so why not try and dabble in it yourself? Number 4, teaching English online. Teaching English online has been a popular side hustle for some time now, but recently, teaching has grown in popularity. This can actually help you with money while also helping others with a useful and essential skill. There are plenty of websites available, such as Akatsock, that are looking for English speakers to teach their students. This type of side hustle is semi-flexible. There are quotas you'll need to reach and schedules you'll need to keep, but it's the perfect part-time job. And if you're serious about it, you can even turn it into a full-time job. The earnings are quite decent, and you get to scout many online English teaching jobs to see which salary suits you best. It takes just a few hours to start earning big, and the students are constantly coming in, so no need to worry about availability. Number 3, sell handcrafted items on Etsy. Nowadays, it seems everyone wants handmade items to be displayed in their homes. Handmade items are great to look at and are pretty popular to buy. Etsy is a website that sells items handcrafted by its members and users. The website is highly popular and receives many customer visits. It can also be a great side hustle as long as you've got an artsy side to you, and if you do, why not put a few items together and then sell them all on Etsy? This would be a great way to earn because you can charge bigger amounts due to the labor fees you impose on your products. It's also very flexible, which means that it can also be quite lucrative. Note, however, that the Etsy website will take a portion away from your sales, so be sure to account for that. Also account for the materials that you use and the hours you work to make the items you sell. When you get your prices down, learn how to advertise it so that people will want to buy it. If you do all of this, you'll have an amazing side income every month. Number 2, social media manager. Being a social media manager is great because it involves something that most of us are used to anyway. If you know how to handle multiple social media accounts, then this job is just what you're looking for. Social media managers get paid to run accounts, sometimes several at a time. These accounts can be for businesses or even celebrities. These positions are in high demand during these times, so if you have the right qualifications, landing this job may not be too difficult for you at all. You will need to know how to schedule posts, post stories, write compelling status updates, and know which photos to post and when. Once you get the hang of it, the job itself isn't hard at all. In fact, it will almost become like second nature since we're all so used to posting on social media. This job will need you to have a reliable phone and or computer, so make sure you invest properly before you consider this job. But once you land it, you'll encounter a huge earning potential. Number 1, selling items online. One of the best things about this current generation is the fact that e-commerce is huge. You can buy or sell just about anything online. You need furniture, hardware, or groceries, they're all available at the touch of a button these days. and this is all available around the globe with international customers coming to buy at every hour of the day. Selling items on online stores such as eBay and Craigslist can be very lucrative. It's actually become pretty popular these days, and you can sell just about anything, from second-hand items to new product. Your store is completely up to you. It's hard to get this wrong. As long as you know how the online store works and how to advertise and deal with online customers, you will be able to sell. How much you make and sell depends on the item, however, so test the waters with some low-risk items at first, and then build upon an online empire and watch as this monthly side hustle transforms into a full-time job. Click one of these videos on your screen. See you there!